Good evening dear aspirants, how was you all? So guys, we at the Psyche World IAS is going to launch a special prelims crash course of 90 days. So right now 2023 prelims is nearby. So me and our team has designed a special crash course of 90 days that is divided in 3 segments of 30 days, 30 days and 30 days. The classes will be run in 2 slots, morning and evening, of 3 hours each with the respective domain faculties. The best feature of the classroom size is that you will get offline and online class both simultaneously, along with 1 hour especially dedicated to the answer writing program in the evening, and you will get a comprehensive detailed answer of the question that is being given to you for the practice and on the spot checking of your answer. The main thing is that the CSET is also covered in this because it's a qualifying one. So we will take a special logical thing on that also, and we will keep a special point that it will be covered within a specified time period. So the course is divided in such a way that morning and evening classes will simultaneously cover entire syllabus in 90 days and with the revision part also. If you have done your syllabus, so your revision is necessary, and if you are going to schedule it for the first time, then just have a change and sit in the exam classroom and feel the change what is actually the study is all about. So our respective faculties is going to take the session, and the very first class is going to start from the 16th of. Don't miss it, be on time, have the class and feel the change. And also in this classroom, the special main advantage that I feel is really very good, because I'm an aspirant and I also sat down in the UPSC exams also and faced the interview also, that the last 12-month current affair will be covered with comprehensive manner in the last moments also, and in every end of the class, weekly, monthly and quarterly part also, which is a very advantage for you. Reason being, the current affair portion is approximately 70% of the UPSC CSE. So you don't need to feel any fear or any kind of afraid from the exam. Just sit, have the class and feel the change what is going to be done for you. So see you in the class. Good evening everyone. Take care.
Hi Sprint, this is the time before prelims. 4.5 months are left for your PT exams. So you may feel anxious and your stress level is very high. So in that situation, you may start to pondering for the good material, good notes and good coachings. So in this system, we are launching Sure 70 programs. That is on 16th of January. That is a crash course program for 2023, which is taught by the expert faculties of this organization.
Hi, this is Swati Singh and I am the faculty of Indian Economy. As the UPSC Prelims CSE 2023 is approaching with 4.5 months, so right now Psyche World is going to launch a new crash course series. In this crash course series, I, Swati Singh, is going to cover the Indian economy from the prelims point of view, along with all the current affairs update.
Hi, this is Ram. I am faculty of Psyche World IAS. Going to teach you CSET 2023.
यूजुअली मैंने देखा कि बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं कि जो सोचते हैं सीसेट कुछ नहीं है, नथिंग, एंड बहुत से स्टूडेंट ऐसे हैं जो सोचते हैं सीसेट पता नहीं क्या है. तो मैं आप लोगों से ये कहना चाहता हूँ, सीसेट जो है